If Google Chrome is crashing right after you open it, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually get Chrome working again fast. We'll start with the easiest steps first and then move into the more common causes like background processes, extensions, hardware acceleration, and temporary files. This is a great place to start before you try anything more advanced, because in many cases, the issue is just a small system or browser problem causing Chrome to close immediately. If this video helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Alright, let's fix Chrome. First, restart your computer. This may sound basic, but it's often the most effective first step. A quick restart clears out temporary system glitches, frees up memory, and shuts down stuck processes that may be interfering with Chrome. To do that in Windows, click the Start menu, select Power, and then click Restart. Once your computer starts back up, try opening Google Chrome again and see if the problem is gone. If Chrome is still crashing after opening, the next thing to do is end any Chrome background processes that may still be running. Sometimes Chrome doesn't fully close, and those leftover processes can cause the browser to crash again and again when you try to reopen it. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. In Task Manager, look for Google Chrome in the list of apps or background processes. If you see multiple Chrome entries, select them one by one or all at once, and then click End the task. This forces Chrome to fully close and clears out any stuck processes that could be causing the crash. After that, try launching Chrome again. If the issue continues, the next step is to check your extensions. A bad extension can easily break Chrome, especially if it's an ad blocker, VPN, or another add-on that isn't working properly. Open Chrome if you can, and then quickly go to the three dots in the top right corner, choose Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From there, disable anything suspicious, unnecessary, or likely to cause problems, especially ad blockers and VPN extensions. If you have several extensions installed, it's a good idea to turn them off one at a time and test Chrome after each change, so you can figure out which one is causing the crash. Broken extensions are one of the most common reasons Chrome starts crashing immediately after opening, so this step is very important. Now let's move on to hardware acceleration. This setting uses your computer's graphics hardware to help Chrome run more efficiently, but on some systems it can actually cause instability or crashing, especially if your graphics drivers are outdated or buggy. To turn it off, go into Chrome settings, click System, and find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Switch that setting off and then click Relaunch when Chrome asks you to restart the browser. Once Chrome opens again, test it to see whether the crashing has stopped. If your GPU or display drivers were the problem, this step can make a big difference. Finally, clear out temporary files on your PC. Corrupted temp files can interfere with programs like Chrome and cause them to behave unpredictably. To do this, press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type temp and press Enter. If Windows asks for permission, allow it. Then delete the temporary files you're able to remove. Don't worry if some files can't be deleted because they're currently in use. Just skip those and remove the rest. This can help clear out old damaged data that might be affecting Chrome's startup. So to quickly recap, restart your PC, end all Chrome background processes, disable suspicious extensions, turn off hardware acceleration, and clear temporary files. These steps solve a lot of Chrome crashing issues after opening, and they're all safe to try on a Windows computer. If this video helped you get Chrome working again, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.